Life is full of surprises, right? Some good, some not so good. You win the lottery. Surprise, you trip and fall, breaking your leg. Surprise, not the good kind. Insurance is all about those not-so-good surprises. It's a safety net. It's like wearing a helmet when you ride a bike, except it protects you from financial wipeouts. Think of insurance as a group hug, but instead of warm fuzzies, you get financial protection. Everyone chips in a little bit. That's the premium you pay. Then, if someone has a bad day, like a car accident or a house fire, the insurance company uses the group fund to help them out. It's basically the opposite of gambling. You're betting on things going wrong, but in a good way. Insurance isn't just about you either. It's about protecting the people you love. Imagine getting sick and not being able to work. Life insurance and health insurance can help your family pay the bills and keep things running smoothly. So yeah, insurance can seem complicated, but it's really all about peace of mind. Before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Nobody likes going to the doctor. It's about as fun as a root canal. But unfortunately, sometimes we get sick or hurt, and those doctor visits become unavoidable. That's where health insurance swoops in to save the day, and your bank account. Health insurance helps pay for all sorts of medical expenses. Think doctor's visits, hospital stays, prescription drugs, and even preventive care like checkups. Basically, it's there to make sure you don't go broke just because you got the flu or twisted your ankle. There are different types of health insurance plans, each with its own set of rules and costs. Some plans have high deductibles, the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in, while others have lower deductibles but higher monthly premiums. It's important to find a plan that fits your budget and your healthcare needs. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, death. It's not the most cheerful topic, but it's a reality we all have to face eventually. Life insurance is all about protecting your loved ones financially when you're no longer around. Here's how it works. You pay a monthly premium, and in exchange, the insurance company agrees to pay a death benefit to your beneficiaries, the people you choose, when you pass away. This money can be used to cover funeral expenses, pay off debts, or simply provide financial security for your family. There are two main types of life insurance: term life and whole life. Term life insurance covers you for a specific period, like 10 or 20 years. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, covers you for your entire life and often includes an investment component. Let's face it, driving can be a bit of a gamble. You're sharing the road with millions of other drivers, many of whom haven't quite mastered the art of parallel parking or texting while not driving. Seriously, folks, put the phone down. Auto insurance is there to protect you financially if you're ever involved in an accident. Auto insurance covers a wide range of incidents, from fender benders to more serious collisions. It can help pay for repairs to your car, medical expenses if you're injured, and liability costs if you're found at fault for an accident. Just like health insurance, there are different types of auto insurance coverage. Liability coverage is the most basic and covers damages you cause to others. Collision coverage helps pay for repairs to your own car if you're in an accident. Comprehensive coverage protects you from non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Section 5. Home insurance. Keeping a roof over your head, literally. Your home is probably your most valuable asset. It's where you create memories, relax after a long day, and maybe even perfect your sourdough bread recipe. Home insurance is designed to protect that investment from unexpected events like fires, natural disasters, theft, and vandalism. Imagine this. A storm rolls in and rips the roof off your house. Without home insurance, you'd be on the hook for the entire cost of repairs. But with home insurance, the insurance company steps in to help cover the expenses, so you can focus on rebuilding and getting back to your normal life. Home insurance also covers your belongings inside the house, like furniture, appliances, and personal possessions. Plus, it provides liability protection if someone is injured on your property. So, whether a tree falls on your roof or your dog bites the mailman, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're covered. Section 6. The financial safety net. How insurance protects you. Okay, so we've covered the basics of health, life, auto, and home insurance, but how exactly do these insurance products provide financial protection? Think of it like this. Each type of insurance is like a separate thread in a safety net. Health insurance catches you if you get sick or injured, preventing you from drowning in medical debt. Life insurance provides a financial cushion for your loved ones if you're no longer around to support them. Auto insurance protects you from the financial fallout of car accidents, which can be incredibly expensive. And home insurance safeguards your home and belongings from unexpected disasters, ensuring you don't lose everything you've worked so hard for. Section 7. Choosing the right coverage. Don't just pick the cheapest option. Now that you understand the importance of insurance, you might be tempted to just pick the cheapest option available. But hold your horses. Choosing the right insurance coverage is crucial. You want to make sure you're adequately protected without paying for coverage you don't need. The key is to find a balance between affordability and coverage. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare quotes from different insurance companies. Each company has its own way of assessing risk and setting premiums, so you might be surprised at the variation in prices. It's also essential to understand the different coverage options available and choose the ones that align with your specific needs and circumstances. For example, if you live in an area prone to earthquakes, you'll want to make sure your home insurance policy includes earthquake coverage. Section 8. Understanding the fine print insurance jargon. Explained. Insurance policies are notorious for their confusing jargon and fine print. But don't worry, you don't need a law degree to understand what you're signing up for. Here are a few key insurance terms to keep in mind. Premium. The amount you pay for your insurance policy, usually on a monthly or annual basis. Deductible. The amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Copay. A fixed amount you pay for a specific medical service like a doctor's visit or prescription drug. Claim. A formal request to your insurance company for payment after a covered event, like an accident or illness. If you're ever unsure about something in your policy, don't hesitate to contact your insurance agent or company for clarification. It's better to ask questions up front than to be caught off guard later. Section 9. Peace of mind. The ultimate benefit of being insured. Ultimately, the most significant benefit of having insurance is peace of mind. Knowing you're protected financially in case of the unexpected can alleviate stress and help you sleep better at night. Instead of constantly worrying about what might happen, you can focus on enjoying life, pursuing your passions, and spending time with the people you love. And isn't that what it's all about? So, there you have it. Insurance in a nutshell. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's an essential part of being a responsible adult. Remember, life is full of surprises, but with the right insurance coverage, you can face those surprises with confidence, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.